Exercise 11.2 sixth sum. X square is equal to minus 9y. Here we are asked to find axis of parabola, focus, equation of directrix and length of LR. So as you can see that the power of y is 1, here axis of parabola is y axis. So on comparing with x square is equal to 4ay, I will get 4a as minus 9. Therefore, a is minus 9 by 4. So focus is on 0 comma a. So 0 comma 9 by 4. Equation of directrix will be y is equal to minus a. Therefore, y is equal to minus minus plus 9 by 4. And length of lattice rectum is 4 more a. So 4 into 9 by 4, it will be 9 units. So in 7th question, we are asked to find equation of parabola. In 6th, the equation of parabola was given and we are asked to find focus, directrix and all. Here, uh, focus is given, directrix is given and we are asked to find the equation of parabola. So you can see that the focus is on x-axis, right? So this will give me the hint that, or this will give me confirmation that my axis of parabola is x-axis. The equation of directrix given is x is equal to minus 6. So here I will write that axis of parabola is definitely x-axis. So I will consider the equation y square is equal to 4x. So we know that focus is on a comma 0. So on comparing, I will get the value of a as 6. So equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Keeping the value of a as 6, I will get y square is equal to 4 into 6 into x. Therefore, the standard equation of parabola is y square is equal to 24x. The focus given in 8th question is 0 comma minus 3 and directrix, that is equation of directrix, is given y is equal to 3. So definitely my axis of parabola in this case is y-axis, as my focus is on y-axis. You know that focus अगर y-axis पे होता है तो it is on 0 comma a. So I'm comparing, I will get the value of a as minus 3. So standard equation of parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. Keeping the value of a as minus 3, equation of parabola will be x square is equal to minus 12y. Question 9. Here the vertex is given and focus is also given. Focus is 3 comma 0. You can see that your focus is on x-axis. Definitely axis of parabola is x-axis. know that focus is a comma 0. So on comparing, I will get the value of a as 3. Now general equation or the standard equation of parabola, if the axis of parabola is x-axis, then it is y square is equal to 4ax. Keeping the value of a as 3, I will get the equation of parabola as y square is equal to 12x. Question 10. Vertex and focus is given. Again the same pattern. Vertex is 0 comma 0, but this time focus is on x-axis only. So same type of sum. Axis of parabola in this case is x-axis only. I know that focus is on a comma 0. So comparing, I will get the value of a as -2. So equation of parabola in this case will be y square is equal to 4ax. Keeping the value of a as -2, I will get y square is equal to minus 8x. Vertex is given 0 comma 0, and passing point here 2 comma 3, and it is also given that axis of parabola is x-axis. So try to understand that if the axis of parabola is x-axis, then the equation of parabola will be y square is equal to 4ax or y square is equal to minus 4ax. It can open towards positive direction of x-axis, or it can open towards negative direction of x-axis also. But as you can see that the parabola is passing through 2 comma 3, and this point is on first quadrant. Therefore definitely this parabola is opening towards positive direction of x-axis. So here the equation of parabola, uh, standard equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax and not y square is equal to minus 4ax. As you can understand that if parabola is opening towards negative x-axis, then that uh, curve will be in second and third quadrant. But it passes through 2 comma 3, which is in first quadrant. Definitely this parabola is opening towards the positive direction of x-axis. As it passes through 2 comma 3, I can keep the value of y as 3, the value of x as 2. So value of a that I will get is 9 by 8. So equation of parabola in this case is y square is equal to 4ax, that is y square is equal to 9 by 2x. This is the equation of parabola that we got. Question 12. The vertex of parabola is given 0 comma 0, and passing point is given passing through 5 comma 2, and it is also given that the axis of parabola is y-axis. Try to understand the statement given. It is not clearly written that the axis of parabola is y-axis, but they have mentioned it as symmetric with respect to y-axis. Now, as when I was explaining you that parabola, I told you that the parabola is symmetric about its axis. So, if it is given that the parabola is symmetric with respect to y-axis, it means definitely the axis of parabola is y-axis. Now, try to understand that if the axis of parabola is y-axis, then it can open towards a positive direction of y-axis, or it can open towards negative direction of y-axis. And accordingly, we will have two equation of parabola, that is x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay. But understand that the parabola given is passing through 5 comma 2, which is in first quadrant. The given point is in first quadrant. So if I consider the parabola opening towards negative y-axis, then that parabola will cover third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So this will contradict with the given situation that the given parabola passes through first quadrant. So here the orientation we should consider should be the parabola opening towards positive direction of x-axis, as you can understand that if the parabola opens towards the positive direction of sorry, y-axis. If I told you as x-axis, then if the parabola open towards the positive direction of y-axis, then it will cover first quadrant and second quadrant, and the given situation will also satisfy with. So here you should consider the parabola opening towards the positive direction of y-axis and not the parabola opening towards the negative direction of y-axis, as you can understand that the parabola opening towards negative direction of y-axis will cover third quadrant and fourth quadrant, and that will not that will contradict with our given situation. That's why we have to consider a parabola opening towards the positive direction of y-axis. So here the equation of parabola we will consider is x square is equal to 4ay and not minus 4ay, as I explained. I will keep the value of x as 5 and the value of y as 2. I will get the value of a as 25 by 8. So keeping back the value of a in equation of parabola, I will have x square is equal to 4ay. Therefore, x square is equal to 4 into 25 by 8 into y. The equation of parabola is y square is equal to 25 by 2 y. You can cross multiply and simplify it if you want, but I will keep it as it is. The equation of parabola will be x square is equal to 25 by 2